Hello, business professionals. Today, we are diving deep into the world of meeting minutes. Now, before you yawn and think about those long, drawn-out notes you once read, we're here to spice things up a bit. Let's talk about the magic wand that can transform those dull notes into organized and actionable records, the meeting minutes template. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about topics designed to help save you time and money. So, what exactly is a meeting minutes template? Imagine a framework or an outline that helps you capture all the essential details of a meeting. It's like a guided tour through your discussion, making sure you don't miss out on any crucial point. Now, let's sprinkle in some statistics. Did you know that according to a recent study, professionals spend approximately 2.5 hours in meetings every single day? That's a whopping 17.5 hours a week. Now imagine the vast amount of information that's discussed in these hours. If not recorded correctly, crucial details can easily slip through the cracks. Another fascinating fact. According to another study, about 40% of the attendees in a typical meeting do not remember the action items assigned to them after 48 hours. Enter the meeting minutes template, ensuring clarity, responsibility, and, most importantly, action. Here's how a template can typically help. There's a place for date and time. Always good to know when these insightful discussions took place. Participants' names. It's essential to know the brilliant minds in the room. Agenda items. Because staying on track is more comfortable with a roadmap. Decisions made. It's always good to refer back to those. Action items and responsible persons. This ensures that tasks don't become mere talk but translate into real-world action. And of course, any follow-up points for the next meeting, because the journey of progress never really ends. In the maze of business communication, a meeting minutes template is like your North Star, a guiding light to make sure you and your team are on the same page. To receive state-of-the-art meeting minutes templates quicker, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our organization by dialing 877-955-7111. Also, what made you interested in learning about meeting minutes templates? Drop a comment below and let us know your business story. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to protect your time and money.